Lisa lives in a big city. She has a small apartment. The apartment is clean and bright. Lisa wakes up early. She wakes up at 6 o'clock. She gets out of bed. She stretches and smiles. She goes to the kitchen. She makes coffee. She drinks coffee slowly. She eats toast and fruit. Lisa has 2 kids. Her kids are young. They are loud and funny. She feeds her kids. She talks to them. They laugh a lot. Lisa dresses quickly. She puts on simple clothes. She takes her bag. She leaves the apartment. She walks to the yoga studio. Lisa does yoga every morning. She likes yoga. It makes her strong and calm. After yoga, she goes to her office. She is the CEO of an online store. She works with computers. She sends emails and messages. She talks to her workers. She makes many plans. She thinks a lot. Lisa works very hard. She does not stop. She eats lunch at her desk. She drinks water and coffee. She calls suppliers. She answers questions. She solves problems. She smiles, but she is tired. Lisa loves her job. She loves her kids too. After work, she goes home. She cooks dinner. She helps her kids with homework.
Okay, let's see what this part says.
She reads books with them.
In a land far away.
Oh, you got lucky.
She plays games. She laughs a lot. She cleans the apartment. She washes clothes. She shops online for her store. She plans new products. She posts pictures on her store page. She talks to customers.
For spring. That sounds very promising.
She writes messages. She thinks about her next day. She sleeps late. She wakes up early again. Lisa is very busy every day. She loves her life. She is strong and smart. She never stops. She smiles every morning. She loves her kids and her work. Lisa is crazy but happy. She lives a full life. She does many things. She is a super busy woman. She likes her yoga. She likes her work. She likes her kids. She likes her city. She likes life.